Hey guys, welcome back. David Deek here from the Get a Clue Marketing Show, and I wanted to show you my brand new platform that I'm using to promote my courses and my classes. Okay, it's called the Get a Clue Classroom, and inside this classroom, you're going to learn how to make money. Doing some creative things, using your talents, learning new skills, and making a profit from your home. Okay, if that's something that appeals to you, that you want to work at home, you want to do this anywhere in the world from your laptop, then you're going to want to really pay attention to all the different courses that we have at the Get a Clue Classroom. Okay, so what is the Get a Clue Classroom? Let me tell you real quick. I've been working on these courses throughout the years, and I've been polishing them. This is the Take Action Series 3.0. This is where you can discover some really cool skills that you never thought you had, okay? I'm going to pull those creative skills out of you so that you can learn how to create, income from your home, from your laptop, okay? I'll teach you, if you're a small business owner, if you're an entrepreneur, I'll show you how to dominate your market, okay? So this is a step-by-step guide into internet marketing. This is for beginners. This is for intermediates that are just getting started into the internet marketing space. Believe me, I've been in it since 1997, and I know what people are doing. Okay, in our first module, we're going to talk about, the passion of profits, how you can turn your passions into a reality. I'm going to show you what people are looking for. What do they want? Okay, so we go over that on where to find the hottest products and the different websites that are available for you. Okay, we also go over how to hook your audience. Okay, once you find out what your audience is looking for, what people want, and where to buy it, then we're going to show you how to hook that audience. Okay, module 2 is all about creating a buzz. Free advertising, pay-per-click, pay-per-view, article marketing, video marketing, display ads, social media marketing. Okay, this is all bundled into one course. Okay, haven't even got to the other courses yet. Show you about website submission, some free sites you can go to. Module 3, we're talking about building your business, building your online business, making a lot of money, using really cool tools that you can go, and I go over each tool and how to use those tools. List building secrets. You heard about people saying money in the list, how to build a following, how to build your own custom list of people that want to hear from you, people that want your products, okay? And then I go over the secret ad formula that I learned back in 2008 from a guy that gets paid $30,000 to do a one-page copyright ad, okay? I tell you step by step on how to do that. Module 4, we go over, what to do next, creating a product, selling affiliate products, providing a service, and everything all above, okay? So again, this is all part of it, part of the Take Action Series 3.0. There's other bonus videos about that. We go over about what to discover. What did you discover about yourself throughout the course? Was there any other tactics that really stirred you up? And, do you have a product that you can see, that you can promote and start making money? Plus, there's PDFs and case studies and things like that. All right, so moving on. Next is our Fiverr Freaks 2.0. I remastered this one because a lot of things have changed with Fiverr, and I wanted you guys to get a sense of what it's like to be a freelancer on Fiverr. Okay, I go through all step by step. We go through the tour. I show you how to get started fast. What does a Fiverr Freak do? A Fiverr Freak is basically somebody that's doing this full time. Okay, I'm not doing it full time because I got other things going on, but you can see my reviews and see everything that I've done on Fiverr. I'm going to show you step by step what's in demand, what's white hot, what kind of gigs that you can get. You can start making anywhere from $5 to $250 a day. Okay, this is no joke. These people are doing it. Module 2, on-demand gigs. I'm going to show you step by step on how to create your own unique gigs. Okay, I'm telling you what to expect. You know, like green screen videos, reviews, demonstrations, whiteboard videos, all this stuff that you're going to need to know on how to make money on Fiverr, and you can start doing it right now. Module 2, you know, they know their numbers. We go into the analytics. You know, Fiverr has gotten so sophisticated. They give you a dashboard. They give you, they hold on to every single transaction, every email that you have transacted with, and you can go all the way back from the beginning. I started Fiverr back in 2012. It's now, at this time of the taping, 2018. Okay, so there's been a lot of changes. I updated it. I'm going to show you how to withdraw directly to your bank account on PayPal, and they have other Fiverr cards as well. Okay, this is amazing. There's a lot of things in this course, the Fiverr Freaks Takeover 2.0. Okay, module 5, the freaks invade the population. I tell you all about how to handle the population with professionalism, how to deal with negative feedback. Do you want to know how to deal with negative people that don't like your stuff? I show you how to deal with that, okay? And it is a mental attitude of a Fiverr freak on how to do this full time, okay? Module 6, we're talking about roaming the web, branching out of Fiverr, and then the bonus videos that you're going to get, video scripts, etc. Talking about videos. Videos seems to be the king of content as far as the delivery system. Everybody wants to make their own videos, okay? So in this Sony Vegas Pro coaching course, we're talking about step-by-step on how to create your videos and how to make them pop, how to make them stand out. And let me go over some of the things that you're going to see. How to brand yourself using video, how to do script writing. Everybody wants to know how to write a script and how to be creative about it. I show you how to do that. Going social, video marketing, fast traffic. All right. Next we have, I did a few classes on the Acid Pro. What this is making your own background music. Okay. If you want to make your own background music, I show you how to do that so you don't have to pay somebody else to do that, or give somebody else, say their rights, or get into copyright infringement. Okay, if you want to stay away from that, I show you how to do that in the Acid Pro 7 music, making your own background music. Plus, you're going to get access to the Passion to Profits course, which is basically me teaching you how to take your passion, your dream, your hobby into a reality where you can start making a full-time income. Okay, this is some of the behind the scenes things that you're going to get. You're going to get my whiteboard. You're going to get my notes. I mean, all of this is included in the Get a Clue classroom, so you don't want to miss out. You want to get access to virtual workshops. If that's something that you want to do, if you like to learn step by step by following people, then you definitely want to join in. Right now, there's some openings for a free membership for the Get a Clue classroom. Click on the link below. You're going to be directed there. You can have access to 21 online videos, okay, directly to your email. And then once you're a member, you can join up at any time. But I will say this, there is a special offer on this page that you can get a really great deal for a full year. You can be part of the Get a Clue class. So you want to check it out, go over to the getaclueclassroom.com. This is David Deek, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks for watching.